show you how to install the Arofa Handheld Bidet Sprayer set. I got the 2-pack here. The other one I already put in my other toilet, and I'm going to install the other one on this one right now. Out of the box here, I already used this one side, so this side here, we got the hose. We got a T adapter here. We have like 3 spare washers. You also have the holder for the sprayer, and you have the sprayer itself right here. And you do get some screws if you want to screw in the holder into the wall, which I'm not going to do because I live in an apartment. I'll just put this directly onto the back of the toilet. Now we're probably going to need a wrench. So the first thing is we're going to turn off the water to the toilet. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. Okay, now you want to flush the toilet. Hold it down, make sure all the water comes out, okay? Hold it down. Okay, looks good. So there's no water in the tank now, okay? Next thing is get yourself a bowl or maybe a rag. You might have a little bit of spillage. Just put it down here, and then we're going to go ahead and unscrew this part right here. Okay, so I don't need a wrench. I don't need a wrench. Let me just go ahead and unscrew this here, and there's a little bit of water coming out. All right, just like that. You can see I got like a little washer in there as well. Now I'm going to grab this T-valve here, okay? So this part here, make sure there's a washer in there, okay? So there's a black washer in there. So I'm going to put this one up to there, and then this bottom one I'm going to put here, okay? So let me attach this one onto the toilet first. And then I'm going to get the wrench here, just tighten it like a little bit more, not too much, all right? Next, I'm going to attach this hose. You have these blue caps on here. You can just go ahead and pop these out. And you can see they're a little bit different, okay? So this one here is going to go to the sprayer, and this one here with the nut is going to go here on the side, okay? And then this will go into here. So let me go ahead and screw this one in first. Let's put this one on right here. I think my hand tighten would be good on this one here. If we get any leaks, we may have to tighten some stuff up though. Okay, so I got this on. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this bottom one on right here. I'm kind of cramped up in the space here, but I think it's on right now. I'm just going to hand tighten this one. Okay, I think that's good. Now the other end of the hose, we're going to attach the sprayer, okay? Now you can see how all this looks here. You get that little washer up there. It's going to push it all the way down, and then we're going to go ahead and screw this one in. All right. Now I'm going to put that holder, this holder here. I'm not going to bolt it to the wall because I live in an apartment. I'm just going to lay that right there, and you just put that on here, and then the lid here makes it a little bit more stable. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and turn the water on, and then when you turn it on, we just make sure that there's no leaks in here, all right? So far, so good. I don't feel nothing. Let me move this out. Now, what I usually do is put a paper towel or toilet paper on here, so you can see if it starts any drips. If there is, obviously, you have to make like an adjustment. Looks good though. Okay, so it looks good and no leaks, okay? Now really quickly, with this sprayer here, you have this knob right here, okay? If that needle's down, it's totally off. You can go up the furthest, that's stop. I like to leave mine kind of like in the middle right there. You can see how much pressure this is now. And then of course you can lighten it up if you want. Anyway, there you guys go. Looks like we're in business. And I just gave it some extra flushes just in case, not one drop. And we're ready to rock and roll, guys.